Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of withdrawing from the account in the Crystal Ball Market Broker together. We enter my trading cabinet in this broker, select the desired account, and click on the withdrawal option. In this section we enter the amount and click on withdraw. In this section, we enter the wallet address where you intend to transfer the amount. And in the second part, we input the withdrawal password and click on the withdraw option. Your withdrawal request has been successfully completed and you can check the details related to the withdrawal from the trading cabinet in your account and the balance history in the withdrawal section. When the status of your withdrawal changes from request to accepted or completed, the amount will be transferred to your wallet. After 1 working hour, your transaction status changed to paid and the amount was transferred to your wallet. Wishing you success and profitability.